ஏஐஎம்ஐ கட்சியினுடைய தலைவர் ஓவைசி அவர்கள் 4வது முறை வெற்றி பெற்று மீண்டும் 5வது முறையாக ஹைதராபாத் நாடாளுமன்ற தொகுதியில் வேட்பாளராக நிற்கிறார். நம்முடன் அவர் இணைந்திருக்கிறார். சார், what makes you proud and keep on for the 5th time in this election in Hyderabad?
No, I'm first of all thankful to the Almighty and to my party for giving the opportunity for the 5th time to serve the people of Hyderabad Parliament constituency. And it's all the hard work done by our party members. And as a member of Parliament, I've also tried my best to raise the issues of the people in the Parliament and outside the Parliament. We have, and inside the Parliament, we have opposed Modi government's unconstitutional, illegal laws. And we have been raising a voice against fascism, communalism. So we hope to continue with the development of the Hyderabad Parliament constituency also.
The other places, 17 places, the only one place which have 4 corner contesting peoples over here in this constituency. What do you think about other 16 places?
No, our party has taken a decision and given a call that Hyderabad people should bless us again, cast their vote for MIM party, and in the remaining 16 parliament constituency, the people of Telangana should defeat BJP over there.
What do you want to comment on Congress? Because the ruling party is Congress here, and they made a wide statement giving 2,500 rupees for women's, and that promises has not been done.
Well, these are all guarantees which have been or promises which have made the election manifesto. We will test them on that. Let us wait and see what happens, because only 3 months have passed since they got elected. So we'll have to give them some time, and then we'll of course start questioning them. But as far as what is happening in Congress party, I'm not the right person to answer that question.
So what do you think the result will be all over the India? Because the 3 phases has been done, the 4th phases is upcoming. So what your prediction over the results will be throughout the India?
So I hope that people of India will not give another 5 years opportunity to Narendra Modi. 10 years is a very, very long time for any party or an individual to change the fortunes of this country, to provide employment to the youth, which they have completely failed. They have failed in providing governance. They have not governed according to the Constitution of India. They have only stuck to their communal ideology of Hindutva. And we have seen more hate crimes, more hate speeches. Legislations like CAA, Triple Talaq, UAPA have been passed, which are against the Constitution, right to equality. So I think that people of India will definitely have to give a serious thought. And also Modi has failed to stop China, who is now occupying 2,000 square kilometers of land. So let us hope that people of India will bring a new change in these elections.
What make you decision to take support with AIADMK in Tamil Nadu?
So in the last assembly election also there was a talk between their and our party people, but because they had no open lines with BJP, we said we cannot come. This time around also we had our party people had spoken to their leader, ex-chief minister, and then the talks were successful. They said they will support CA, they will oppose the CAA, and also in coming assembly election they will give us 2 seats, and they have said that they will not be part of BJP again. So based on their firm commitment, we decided we should support them, and this alliance will continue also after the parliament elections.
We can hope that the elections will, this alliance will continue by parliament assembly elections.
Yes.
For Tamil Nadu also.
Yes.
So in this ground of Hyderabad, who is a strong opponent?
Every contestant is my competitor. I cannot pick and choose, but when elections are happening, we have to work hard. We have to, convince the people and ensure that the party wins the elections. For that, we will have to fight the election very seriously, and which we are doing it.
Thank you so much for your quiet time.